Imagine a treatment that helps restore the delicate balance in your eyes by improving healing, reducing inflammation, and even slowing down the aging process. That's the power of polynucleotides. But exactly what are polynucleotides? They're naturally occurring compounds that made up of long chains of nucleotides that builds blocks of DNA and RNA. These molecules play a crucial role in cellular repair, regeneration, and reducing inflammation. In essence, polynucleotides are like instructions for your cells to repair and regenerate. They help stimulate the healing process, which is why they're becoming a breakthrough in the treatment of various eye conditions. When applied to the eyes, polynucleotides have a remarkable effect. They promote healing of the cornea, improve tissue regeneration, and even reduce the risk of scarring after eye surgery or injuries. When it's for post-surgery recovery, managing dry eye disease or helping treat age-related changes like macular degeneration, polynucleotides help by encouraging your eyes to heal faster and more effectively.